Welcome everyone on the Hard Reset Info channel. In today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to change the display mode in FC26 game, so stay with me and enjoy watching. As the first step from the main page, we have to get into the gear icon over here, then choose the settings and move to the game settings. Now scroll to the right and make sure that you go into the display settings, and in here the second option will be display mode. You can choose between three available options: the borderless, full screen and window. You can see the description over here, but I can tell you that if you using the second screen, then borderless is must-have for you. The full screen of course displays an entire screen, and window displays in a resizable and movable window. So that would be all for this video. Hope you like it. Decide for yourself which display mode you want to use, and also subscribe to our YouTube channels. Goodbye!